Good morning. I am Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher, Woodbine Modern School. Today discuss about computer network. Class 8, chapter 1. In this chapter, a computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resources shared today is connected to the internet. A computer network can be defined as a group of computer and peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. As like our computer connected with the help of wire printers. In a computer network, when two and more computers connected with the same printer, and each computer uh, give a print command, then computer printer print outputs. The computer network communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in network is called node. Uh, One of the nodes act as sender that transmit the information to other nodes in the network, known as receivers. Who computer send a data is called sender, and who computer receive a data is called receiver. These computers are linked with each others through some medium such as cable, telephone lines, radio waves, or infrared light beams. Let us understand computer network as data communication systems as like figure number 1.2. It consists of flowing parts, masses that information sender want to send to receivers. Sender, a person, a computer that send a mess, send a data message through a web browsers. Receiver is a that systems receive data from networks. Transmission medium is a physical path. Those transmit messages sender to receivers. We use in these mediums twisted pair cables, coaxial cable, fiber optical cable, and radio waves are some common example of the transmission mediums. Protocols. Protocols is a set of rules that governs the computer's data communication. Uh, Without protocol, data cannot be exchanged each other's to communicating devices. Means protocol is a set of instruction, set of rules that helps sender send a message and receiver receive a message. Why computer network use, and what is the benefit of computer networks? Efficient use of storage media. It more economically to store an application software on a network device than to store copy of application each user's storage devices. It can be to have a being hard disk in the servers than to have a small hard disks in different computers. Means I have a small computers, low memory space, but we use computer network. Then we set and send large amount of data one person to another person, and we store a server computer where store lot of data. In computer network, preventing information, a set of rules helps to whose person send and whose person receive data. Means our data is protected, and network regular backup and number of stand-alone computers. When a keep backup on controlled location, you have one place to look for a lot of information. Means when we send a data, then receive the data. In this process, computer network helps to data secure through some devices. Reduction of hardware costs. In computer networks, uh, some devices used like modem, printer, scanner, CD, writers shared. Means one modem connected two and more computers nodes. One printer use multiple computers. One scanner used by multiple computers, and one CD drive used by multiple person. Means some devices used by many person is called hardware cost reduction. Efficiency in work with the help of computer network, modification, upgradation, software, single point brings efficiency of work into working systems. Means computer networks helps to our work efficiency increased. Redundancy means duplication of data. A computer network reduce the need for hardware copies of all documents, sharing the soft copy of a file over the networks, eliminating grading greatly reduce needed to share hard copies of reports for or any informations. Quickest document delivery. When we use network, then one person to another person, very fast delivery system as like email, video transmission. This is the examples of computer network. Thank you.